Go ahead.
So these are the running applications on your home screen. You can have as many applications as you want running. This device has 2 gigabytes of RAM, so it will be okay. Let me just move around so the lighting will be okay. Yes. And the covers are interactive as before, so you can just play your music, pause, or go to the next song, or resync your email, or search your contacts. And the keyboard is easily usable. Easily usable with 2 hands. So your thumbs will cover all of it. And if I go to messaging app, for example, if I go to messaging app and I want to type a message, more suggestions will be shown in the middle. So you can just type and then choose the word that you are willing to.
This is a keyboard in Sailfish.
Sailfish OS, yes.
Okay. You can run another third-party keyboard?
Not at the moment, there are none.
Okay.
But yeah, this is the keyboard.
It's a very comfortable one. I tested it.
Yeah, it indeed is. Then we have the new app tray, which is completely separated from the home screen. Last time, if you remember, it was integrated with the lock screen and home screen and everything. But this time, you can access the app tray from anywhere. So if you have the device locked and you unlock it, if you use the edge, you can bring up the app tray without unlocking the device. So, but if you unlock it, you just can access it like so. See, very smooth, very fast, very intuitive. And we also added new gestures to the operating system, which adds 3-finger gestures for volume. As you can see, I can turn up or down the volume. For example, you can have the tablet. Okay, when you pick the tablet up, sometimes the volume rockers are down here, sometimes they're up there. Doesn't matter. You can just use your 3 fingers to change the volume. What else can I show you is that since you're filming, I show you the hardware again. The JOLLA logo, aluminum backing, stereo speakers, and the 5-megapixel rear camera, 2-megapixel front camera with the ambient light sensor here, plus 2K display, IPS panel. And since you're filming, I show you the animation for notifications when you open them.
Okay, that's correct.
Yep.